Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine at your homes. Welcome to your SST class for Montessori 3. First of all, open your book page number 12. Dear students, all of you open your book page number 12. Today's our topic is make a list of your toys. First of all, mention date. Make a list of your toys. As we learned in our previous lecture about toys, we have some toys like truck, train, cycle, drum, blocks. So make a list of your toys. Doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Bat and ball. बैट एंड बॉल तकरीबन हर सबके पास होता है, डॉल्स भी होती हैं सबके पास. उसके अलावा ब्लॉक्स, साइकिल, टेडी बियर, TEDDY, teddy bear. So dear students, now it's your turn to note down your homework. In the first, SW, mention SW and date 23/4/21. Which is your favorite toy? Write about it. My favorite toy is blah blah. It is dash in color. I like it because dash. So this will also your homework in your SST book page number 12. See you in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.